Hey guys, it's me, Firewolf14, and I want to let you know, please leave a comment if you think Santa Claus is real, or Easter Bunny is real, or Tooth Fairy is real, or if Cupid's real. Because I don't think they're real. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Because who would want someone shooting you in the butt with an arrow that makes you fall in love? Like, you can do it on your own. Literally, you could do it literally on your own. And I don't even think he's real. I think he's a made up story. And Easter Bunny. Who would want someone laying eggs in your backyard for you to find? It's basically like hide and seek. Like you have to, it hide the eggs, and you have to seek them. It's literally like hide and seek. Why don't you just make us play hide and seek, Easter Bunny? Yeah, like, he literally scoops the eggs out of his butt, hides them, and makes you seek them. Like, I don't think that's real. I don't think he's real. It's not a bunny that hides eggs. And Santa else. Who will want to be that show event come down your roof, basically fake a connection, and give you presents? And wait, we need to restate that. Who would want a jelly man at old come in your house, which is breaking and entering, and give you presents? Like, I don't believe that. I think the parents are the one giving you presents, not Santa. And that's my opinion. All of the things I'm saying is my opinion. Yeah, that's the reason why I believe with Santa. And that's what Tooth Fairy. Who would want a fairy to come in your house, take your tooth, give you money in the place for your tooth? It's basically breaking into your house, giving you money, and stealing the tooth. What is he gonna do with the tooth? Is he gonna eat it? Is he gonna sell it? What is he gonna do with it? I don't believe in that. I think the parents put the money under your pillow. Which is my opinion. All the things I'm saying in this video is my opinion. Okay guys, be sure to leave those in the comment box if you think they're real or hoax. And be sure to hit the notification button for more content and get notified whenever I make a video. And hit the like on it. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. Peace out guys. So, Michael out.